I am trying to make some black icing, but it didn't come out right. It came out a little grayish. It was lighter than this. So I researched some things and it told me to put this gray in the microwave, but my microwave is not working and the cake is due today. So I thought about making a double broiler and just heating it up a little bit, and then you're supposed to keep stirring it every 5 seconds. So this is how the color is coming out, and I can't stir and hold the phone, but as you can see, as the bowl heats up, it turns black. So I'm gonna take this off the heat, and this is about as black as it's gonna get, I guess. I'm gonna take it off the heat because I don't want it to completely melt my icing. I'm gonna mix this again, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. This is about how much of the food coloring I use, and I'm just gonna get it in there. I had some more on here, so as you can see, it already fell into the bowl. So I'm gonna put as much as I can on here and just mix it again. Let's see. Any darker? Now I'm gonna stop. That should be good enough. It's pretty black. I also forgot to say that I have used my entire bottle of super black americolor. So I don't know if I would have used something else, if that would have made a difference. But here's what I used. It is super black americolor, and it got gray. So I can mix it again. And then I have some Wilton black left because I used the whole bottle of the americolor. I have this Wilton black. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that in there. But it looks black to me, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm about to put the top on it and cool it for a little while so it can be back to the regular consistency. But it looks black enough for me. So this is not going to be